These are the colors I'm going to be using: white, ultramarine, cadmium yellow, cadmium red light, ochre, yellow ochre, and magenta, and raw umber for my skin tone that I use for this piece. And this is, I would say, more on the Asian skin tone. Probably like a more of a yellow olive undertone. Okay, I'm going to be making a neutral skin tone. Need white, cadmium red, Naples, and just a little bit of ultramarine. And add a little bit more Naples. So I think I put too much red. And that's a nice neutral. Maybe a little bit more white. Okay, and then now I want it's like a poppy red or blush for the blush. So I need white, wanting to make orange, so I'm going to make some orange off to the side here with, actually I'm going to make it with cadmium red light and yellow. So I need, that's my orange. So orange, white, magenta, and a little bit more cadmium red. And that gives me a nice poppy flame red for a blush. And then if you just want a simple blush, you can do white, cadmium red, and ochre. It's a nice orangey blush for this one. Okay. And this one I had made before this video. It's okay. It could be used for some shadow. It's like a lavender. I put too much of the ultramarine in this one. And then for a buttercream, like a yellow that I used in the skin tone, I want cadmium yellow light, magenta, and raw umber. Oh, I don't think that's right. Is that right? Oh, forgot my white. I need white. Still don't think that's right. Let's try again. I mean yellow, white, and just I think I put too much of the umber, just a touch of the umber for a nice buttercream, maybe a little bit more. This one is actually good for skin tone. Sometimes your mistakes actually make beautiful colors, so it's okay. They're okay. Mistakes are not mistakes. They're just happy accidents. Okay, so I have a light neutral, like a poppy red and blush and buttercream. That's what I use for the skin tone. And then last is the olive undertones I used. So that would be raw umber, white, red, and ochre. And actually this one here, it's like a peachy skin tone. This is the olive undertones I used. Okay, and then now I need more white. This is going to be like a porcelain or the lightest color. So this will be white. I use Naples yellow a lot. Naples yellow and touch of magenta. The lightest part. And then more white. That gives a nice porcelain. And then last but not least, skin tone shadow is going to be your red, cadmium red light. Put it right here. And yellow, ultramarine, raw umber, and white. And really, any of the skin tones, you can add ultramarine or raw umber to it to create a shadow. And actually, this one here, because of the more of the ultramarine, it ended up being the shadow skin tone. Just add a little bit more ultramarine for a little bit more blue undertone, or add more raw umber for more of a earthier, warmer. So that is my shadow skin tones mix. So these two, shadow skin tone, poppy red flame, blush, and olive skin tone, buttercream, porcelain, more of a peach skin tone I made by accident. And here is my light neutral I made. So these are what I made for this painting. So thank you for watching. Bye now.